Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a stuffed eggplant gravy for idli and dosa at your home. So for the idli and dosa, this is the best side dish guys. So I will show you how to make. So let's start. Here I took 5 to 6 brinjals, that is the baby eggplant. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this eggplant in the middle and I'm going to stuff the masala powder. So here I took the sambar powder. So this is the best for the stuffing. And what I'm going to do, as I said, I'm going to cut in the middle and I'm going to stuff this powder into this eggplant. Hey guys, I cut the eggplant in the middle. What I'm going to do, I'm going to stuff this sambar powder into this eggplant, in the middle of the eggplant. So I'm going to keep this one here. So I'm going to do all the eggplant. Take a kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil because we are making oil eggplant stuffed gravy. So we require more oil, and when the oil is hot we have to add the mustard seeds. So you can have 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and when the mustard seeds is started splattering we have to add some methi seeds, that is fenugreek. I added some methi seeds and it's time to add the hing powder up to your taste. And into this I'm going to add all the eggplants, the stuffed one. And in the top of the eggplant I'm going to add some fresh curry leaves. The eggplant is fully roasted in the oil, so can you see the crisp in the eggplant? What I'm going to do, I'm going to add the imli water, that is the tamarind water, into this. So here I soaked the tamarind. We have to take a small ball of tamarind piece and we have to soak in the water, and I'm going to add this water into this. So this is the best side dish for idli and dosa, or you can have this one with the rice also. So here I added the tamarind water, and into this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So it's time to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And 1 tablespoon of sambar powder. So it's time to add 1 tablespoon of sambar powder and some salt up to your taste. And after adding salt, we have to cook this gravy up to 5 minutes. And when it started becoming thick, we have to switch out the flame. So yeah, so we have to wait for 5 minutes. Hey guys, after 5 to 7 minutes, my gravy is started becoming thick. So can you see the oil is also started coming, and it's time to switch off the flame. And what I'm going to do, after switch off the flame, we have to add the sesame oil. So this is a must and it gives a nice flavor. And we have to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. And after adding the sesame oil, we have to cook this one for 1 minute, not more than that. So can you see it started boiling, and it's time to switch off the flame, and we have to mix. So this dish is very famous in South India guys. So this is called Yennai Katrika. Yennai means oil, Katrika means the eggplant. And this dish, as I said, you can have this with rice, idli or dosa, even with roti. So yeah, and today is World's Idli Day. So I thought I can share one side dish for idli. So yeah, and it's time to serving. Put it in the serving bowl. So this is the quick video of how to make oil stuffed eggplant gravy for idli and dosa. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.